Hello everyone, welcome to this instructional video. This video mainly introduces how to batch configure ONU multicast service. Firstly, connect the ISP server to the uplink port of the OLT. Then use the optical splitter to connect the ONU to the PON port of the OLT. And finally connect the computer to the log port of the ONU to play video. Then let's log in the OLT web for configuration. Firstly, complete the OLT VLAN configuration. Create a business VLAN. Bind VLAN to uplink port. Secondly, configure the multicast service. Multicast listening was enabled globally, and general query packet was enabled. In port user VLAN, configure the user VLAN and multicast VLAN for the PON port where the ONU resides. In the port router, configure a multicast service VLAN for the upper interface with multicast services. Thirdly, create a line profile named HGU IGMP. Click Details and Modify to configure it. Add tcont and bind DBA profile. Add gemport. Create a service and bind the multicast VLAN to it. Create a service profile named HGU IGMP. Click Details and Modify. Set the mode to transparent, port type to vape, and port ID to 1. Create a PRI profile named HGU IGMP. Click Details and Modify. Create and bridge WAN, enable VLAN, and set the VLAN ID. Set service mode to Other. Bind working port. Click Submit to save configuration. All profiles are complete now. Fourthly, configure auto profile binding. Enter Auto Learn. Bind all HGU Internet profiles to PON 1. Click Apply to take effect. Please note that the auto profile binding takes effect only for newly registered ONU. Now, let's delete all the ONU and make them re-register. Then, let's visit the binding profile interface. Check if the re-registered ONU is bound to the HGU IGMP profile. The ONU bind all profiles successfully. On the ONU configuration page, it also displays profile configuration info. Finally, remember to click the Save button to save the configuration. That's all for this course. Thank you for your attention and listening.